Tiffany's here, and today we are going to slay. That rhymed. I should be a poet because I do it all the time. Okay, I really used to want to write poetry. I really did. I have a book. I still have a book of poetry. But anyways, besides the point, today we're talking about how I apply my wig and just style it. I really didn't flat iron it like I wanted to, but when I get ready to flat iron it, I will definitely do a video for you. Today I'm really just kind of showing you how I actually put the wig together, or actually not put it together but put it on my head, and how I laid this right here. Yes, get all up in there because it looks so bomb. You can't even tell. I know you can't tell. I know you can't tell. You can't tell. But this is how the hair looks. This is how long it is. So pretty good length. But let's just go ahead and get started with this video. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you are not new, thank you for being loyal. You was loyal, you was faithful. But if you're new, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. Let's go. Alright, so after I unwrap my head and I have braids under this wig cap, you want to have a wig cap that's just basically the same color of your skin, just to mimic your scalp so the part looks as natural as possible. Then I'm going to go ahead and just put my wig on and adjust it how I want it to be. You can get those wig caps from Sally's or any beauty supply store. This got to be glue, can be bought from any drugstore, and you really want to just place it and not actually lay it on your hairs so you don't pull any of your hairs out, but just right above your hairline. And then blow dry it for maybe about 30 seconds, 30-40 seconds, just so it gets really tacky, and then press it down. And you want to just press it down and then dry it again, just so you make sure the wig sticks and it's not flying off of your head, girl. We do not want that. So as you can see, I'm just kind of pressing it in, and I'm pulling out the very ends of this hair. These are where like the quote-unquote baby hairs are. So we're just going to brush them out or comb it out however you like. Then you kind of want to just play with the angles. I'm using a razor just to kind of make them a little bit smaller because the baby hairs are not to your nose. So once you kind of trim them how you want, you'll take some little gel and take a toothbrush and just kind of swing them in like natural baby hairs. Then I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to kind of just tie it back down just so they really stay in place and they're not flying around. And because I'm really extra, I like to do 2 scarves, so I had to get my other scarf and tie it as well. And I'm just kind of tying in the other direction. Alright, and now in about maybe 15-20 minutes you can take that headscarf off, and then these are the results. Alright, so this is the end result. I think it turned out really good. Hopefully this video was very helpful for you. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video. I will definitely be doing an update on this hair, but so far I am really loving this hair, guys. That's how I lay my hair, my closure, and I feel like it looks really natural. So leave me some comments below, let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.